Cirrus 4 is one solution to meet multiple business management requirements, especially for the service-based industry. Cirrus 4 is a SaaS-based, multi-tenant, flexible, cloud-hosted system built with years and years of experience. With nearly 2 decades of mobile servicing experience, Cirrus 4 application was made generic to fit for any service business operations needs. And now, going to the next level, Cirrus 4 is available globally on Windows Azure Cloud. Built on a solid Microsoft technology framework, this application makes full use of the Microsoft Web and Cloud stack. On the face of it, the Cirrus 4 comprises 5 main modules: procurement, inventory, sales, service, and finance. The core of the application is Service Center Operations. It supports multiple currencies and countries, and it seamlessly integrates with finance and reporting functions that help you keep track of business. While the sales module checks off dozens of feature boxes like the interactive dashboard, comprehensive promotion setup, cross-selling ability, related sales, customer loyalty, feedback, and invoicing. The services module breaks down further into logistics, repair center, warranty tracking, and spares inventory. There are a number of awesome things that the sales module is capable of: serialized and non-serialized item sales, bulk sales, credit sales, and all sales returns. It enables the salesman to sell more, anywhere, by enabling incentives. Real-time dashboard displays salesman performances and efficiency. Cirrus 4's backbone is the Service Center module. Service module does a thorough job of providing detailed repair history with timestamp for each activity, tying up with item warranty conditions, extremely detailed product information, tracking parts, support center, quality check, and technician performance. The logistics part is a comprehensive activity tracking system, such as workflows defining the path a device will take, tracking work orders for minor and major repairs, highlighting delays to control delivery times and customer satisfaction, tracking how much time any activity takes, and making sure that service time reduces in order to make the process more efficient. Finally, the swap inventory management makes Cirrus 4 more efficient. A supervisor is given rights on maintaining swap inventory controls and warranty management. Cirrus 4 maintains global standards for data integrity and using device serial numbers and codes, making the service experience global. Cirrus 4 for you.